Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to pin comments on TikTok. Now let's begin. Initially, let's go to TikTok app and go to your profile section. You can see it on the bottom right. Choose any video and from here, I have some comments. I want to pin the comment, "Welcome to the daily routines of Greg." Simply click and hold on it. It seems I have a problem. As you can see, I do not have the pin a comment option, as that option is rolled out to generally big content creators. I only have one video, but for instance, you have multiple videos and are a big creator, simply click and hold to the video and you will see something like an option to pin a comment, and the same, click and hold the comment and you will see the option to unpin the comment as well. Well, that's it for the video guys. Hope it was helpful for you. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.